What's going on, guys? I'm Shashan Arora, and today I am here with actually my first video with my voice. So the quality may be a little bad, the voice, there might be like a little lag or something, but let's go ahead and start. I'm using a very good quality studio, so it should be good. The audio may be a little bad because, you know, I'm not in a full workspace right now, but let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on free web hosting. You don't need to go to any website. Well, you do, but it is owned by Google and it is very, very easy. So first, I'm gonna do the step-by-step. So what you want to do is you want to go to your folders. You want to go to OSC, and you see how here I have a few folders. So you want to go ahead and you want to right-click at the very top, and click new folder. Remember, this is an OSC, and let's just name this sample vid. Make sure you have no hyphens and no spaces, and let's just go ahead and copy this. So as you see in here, we have nothing right now, which is where our projects are going to be. And you have to go to this website, firebase.google.com. And then you're gonna press get started, and as you see here, there are some projects right here. So here is a social media website that I'm developing, which I will be showing you guys later. You want to go ahead and press add project, and you want to go ahead and enter a project name. So let's go ahead and do Shashan web app. Remember, you can have hyphens in this. This is your URL name. This is going to be the URL name that you're going to be having for free. So let's go ahead and press continue. You need to disable Google Analytics for this project, and we're going to go ahead and create this project. So if you guys don't know, I actually have a website that's live right now, codingwithshashan.work.app/index.html. This is live, and this is used from Firebase. Actually, we have a chatbot that will actually work. We're going to be teaching you how to make a full contact form, a cookies form, and then we're going to be teaching you also how to get a full website like this. So basically this is just the same. This is just sample, you know. Let's go. Shashan.web.app is ready. Hyphen. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now you want to press here web, and you want to name this as a nickname. So let's just do Shushman's app. Shushman app. And you want to go ahead and disable this. We're going to be talking about that later. Let's go ahead and go to hosting. So of course, I'm going to press get started, and you're going to need Visual Studio Code for this. So once I'll link Visual Studio Code's download in the description. I'm pretty sure it's on Mac and Linux too. So you're going to go ahead and press File, Open Folder. Then you want to go ahead and press the one that we just created, which is, if I can find it, Sample Video App Project. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. It doesn't depend on the URL name. So as you see, you should be greeted like this. I'm just going to say like that. Press get started for hosting. So you're going to go product overview, then hosting, get started, and you're going to go ahead and copy this. Now we are going to go into a program that Windows has built in called Command Prompt. So we're going to write CMD, and Command Prompt should pop up. We're going to go ahead and write all the program that I'm going to be writing. So I'm right here, guys. Don't worry. You want to copy the file name. Press rename, and then you can just go out. You want to write CD. Enter, and you want to go over here, press copy. You want to go here and press that, and while it installs that, I'll be giving you, I'll actually start the video, I'll pause it, and then I'll start it again when all the Firebase tools are installed. So yes, I'll see you guys when it's finished. Okay guys, so it just finished. So once you install the Firebase tools, it should look like this. You're gonna press next, and you're gonna press Firebase login. You're gonna copy this, of course. So it's gonna, when I Control V this, and I press enter, it'll prompt you if you're already logged in, if you already have some Firebase projects. Google will recognize that you're using the same account for all the projects, and it's going to say already logged in as your email address. So I'll show you guys a sample right here. I'm going to enter Firebase login, and it's going to say already logged in as shashancoding@gmail.com, which means I'm already logged in. You're going to go ahead and copy this Firebase init, initialize. Go ahead and press enter, and you should be greeted with this prompt. You want to go ahead and press Y. And then you have the arrow keys on the bottom right of your keyboard. You're gonna go ahead and go 1 down and then 2 down, and you're gonna press spacebar and then simply enter. And then you want to press enter again for using the existing project. And then you want to go down again with your arrow keys, and you want to go let me just see where that went. I think it's sample project by Shashan. Pretty sure I forgot. Okay, so different one. Hold on. Shashan-web-app. Okay. Hold on. So let's close this again. I did a mistake. So let's go ahead and just sorry guys, I made a small tiny error. Just go and follow my directions. And you want to go ahead and do Firebase init. Then go ahead and Y. Remember hosting. Yeah, I think I did something with hosting. I think I forgot to do hosting. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I lost it for a second. So, for your public directory, you want to write build. Sorry, the background noise, guys. And then you want to write N. If you're using JavaScript libraries such as React JavaScript, you want to press Y. But for this one, you want to press N. And then N again. It depends. You guys can do that. I'm doing N. Okay. So, let's go ahead and press next. And Firebase deploy. Just go ahead over here. And let's look at Control V. It should say deploying to hosting. That's right here. So this is an indicator that your Firebase is deployed successfully. Everything is going great. And now it should give you your URL. So let's go ahead and copy that. There's going to be an error. See, Firebase hosting setup complete. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Visual Studio Code, and magically, you want to go to build, and you have index.html and 404.html. So, just for a sample, we're going to I'll just do this. H1. Here is a website by Shashan Aurora. Okay? Remember, for every save that you make, you have to write Firebase deploy. So it's going to deploy the hosting. And go ahead and refresh this. Here is a website by Shashan Aurora. So you guys can actually go check this out. I'm going to leave this live. You can go enter the URL. Here's a website by Shashan Aurora. You guys can see this. And if we enter a 404, it's just going to show this really lame message. because it's licensed by Firebase. But an easy way, just go here and just for a sample, delete this. Let's go to CodePen.io. Yeah, I was like, what? Okay, so let's just do 404 page, and it should greet us with a few 404 pages. Let's just do this one. Yeti 404. Oh, this is SCSS, which we're not going to do now. Let's see if this one does it. Nope. Ghost page. You want to go to the one where it shows CSS. Hopefully this one, yes, it does. So just go ahead and copy all this. And you guys can customize this yourself again. Press save. I'm just doing this for sample. Okay, you guys don't have to do this. Styling. I'm just doing this so we can go through the video. I'm not going to cover every single styling part. Of course, I'll go. This is an HTML, CSS, JavaScript series. We're also going to be doing PHP, MySQL, and React JavaScript later on. Also with app development, iOS. We're going to be learning JavaScript libraries again, like I told you. So let's go ahead. As you see, 404 page not found. So we go here. Here's a website by Sean Aurora. You can write anything, and it's going to show you 404 page not found. And of course, when you just go back, it leads you to a function which goes you to the previous web page that you were on. So again, I'll show you guys an example. So if we go to Amazon.com, and then we go ahead, write this, go back, it'll bring us back to Amazon.com. Here's just a sample website, of course. I'll be linking my website down below, and I'll be linking the website that, the sample one that I have. And also in the comments, link it on your websites. I actually want to see them. I want to see what work you guys do with your websites. From the past tutorials that I've showed you, we're going to be doing CSS lesson 2, which means the styling, like, navigation bars, hover effects, button styling, image styling. You see how this hovers. Let's go back home. This, pop-ups, accept cookies, chatbots, a working contact form. We're all going to be doing that in this year. So again, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please, again, like, subscribe, turn on all notifications. That's helping me out really much. Because this is a kind of long tutorial. I tried making this as short as possible and as easy as possible. You have your own URL right here that you can just enter in. Remember to do Firebase deploy every time. So this is the function that you're going to write after every change. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!